This is called a carbon fiber AFO. This has a posterior aspect to it, which means it goes down the back part of your leg. We're going to go over how to put this on and off and how to fit it correctly into your shoe. First things first, it's pretty easy. There's just one Velcro strap. There's a chafe up here. When this is on you, feeds through this chafe. The Velcro's back onto itself. Obviously, taking off, you reverse that process. Whenever you take it off, I just tell patients, make sure you stick this back onto itself, just so it doesn't stick to your clothes or you get lint or other things in there. This is the foot plate. Again, this is made out of carbon, really lightweight. This is used for most patients that have a drop foot, most common thing that we'll see. The nice thing with the carbon, it's lightweight. It's very easy into the shoes. Best type of shoe is a tennis shoe, just like this. Laces are preferred than Velcro. No slip-on shoes doesn't work well. The reason for that is your foot slides too far inside of the shoe. Where with the laces or Velcro, we can tighten it down to help it move with you. As far as putting in the shoe, first thing you want to do is take out the insert that comes with the shoe. Make sure your brace slid down inside of the shoe. Your orthotist will obviously cut this, fit this, get everything fitting correctly for you. So once all the fitting is done, you will just have to, if you switch it between shoes, know how to put it in and out of the shoe. Next step, you want to take the insert. You want to slide this inside of the shoe. The reason we do this is just so you're not standing on top of the carbon. It's not very comfortable. This way you have an insert on top of it, or if you have custom foot orthotics that we make for you, you can put that on top as well. These ones are a little bit trickier to get on because this blocks your foot from going in compared to an anterior carbon AFO. So a lot of patients will kind of use this almost as a shoehorn. So I'll have Josh here. Go ahead, Josh. Slide his foot in here. You slide your foot down inside of the shoe. And we want to make sure that the strap, isn't tucked in there, that's free. You un-Velcro this here. Place it through the chafe. We want to pull this tight, Velcro back onto itself. And then next, we want to lace up the shoe. And again, we want to make sure that this is really tight and snug so that we're not moving inside of the shoe. We're using this as another strap, basically, almost a second strap down here to hold your foot on top of the AFO. Again, this is very flexible, lightweight, fits easy into the shoe. You can see, obviously, none of this will be touching back here, and this shouldn't because we don't want this rubbing against the patient's leg. And then as they walk, that actually help lift and pick up their foot to prevent that drop foot. As far as taking it off, reverse the process, un-Velcro it here. Again, Velcro this back onto itself just so it doesn't catch onto things. Unlace or un-Velcro the shoe. Loosen this up. And then usually I tell patients use this as a pivot. Slide your foot right out. And then just leave it inside the shoe. Most patients will just leave it in there. The next time they go, they just have to put it in. That's how you put carbon fiber AFO on and off, and how to fit it correctly inside of your shoe. Thank you.